everyone, I am Shah Nami. I am studying in Standard 12. I have started my ACCA journey with Navkar Institute from Standard 11. In Standard 11, I have completed first paper of Financial Accounting of Foundation level with scoring 67%. Recently, I have completed second paper of Business and Technology of Foundation level with scoring 69%. In this pandemic also, Navkar supported me very much by providing online video lectures which were very much useful to me in understanding each and every concept easily. I am very much thankful to all faculties of Navkar for supporting me in understanding every concept and solving my all doubts whenever they arise. I am also thankful to Hitesh sir and Urvish sir for guiding me whenever I had any doubts or any problems. I would also like to thank Mayur sir for helping me in every procedural support. Once again, I am very much thankful to Navkar.